Imagine being equipped with the knowledge and strategies to conquer your academic struggles and truly excel in your studies. This is your chance to gain insights from motivational stories, learn practical tips, and discover effective strategies to overcome common study challenges such as lack of motivation, understanding complex concepts, and managing time. These are the benefits of watching this video in its entirety. Why do some students thrive while others find themselves constantly fighting against the tide? The answer lies in the unique challenges they encounter throughout their academic journey. The daunting nature of endless lectures, hefty textbooks, and exams can drain the motivation, leaving some disheartened. For others, it's the complexity of subjects like abstract theories, physics, or intricate formulas in calculus that can feel like an enormous barrier. And let's not forget about the time management dilemma. Balancing coursework, extracurricular activities, a social life, and perhaps even a part-time job. It leaves one struggling to carve out for effective study. But don't you worry. If I told you there's a way to navigate these obstacles, would you stay tuned? Opening, let me tell you a story about a student named Alex who managed to turn his academic life around. Alex was much like any other student, juggling a multitude of tasks and struggling to keep his head above the water of academic pressure. His grades were slipping, his confidence was dwindling, and he was on the brink of giving up. But instead he decided to take control of his situation. It all began with a shift in mindset. Alex realized that he wasn't bad at studying, he was just untrained. He understood that the brain, like any muscle, needs training to perform optimally. He adopted a growth mindset, believing that his abilities and intelligence could be developed through dedication and hard work. It was no longer about being the best, it was about being better than he was yesterday. Next, he explored various study techniques, from the Pomodoro technique, where he would study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break, to spaced repetition, which involved reviewing information at increasing intervals over time. He experimented, adapted, and found the methods that worked best for him. But knowing how to study wasn't enough. Alex needed consistency. He started maintaining a study schedule, allocating specific hours each day exclusive for studying. He treated these hours with respect, understanding that they were his stepping stones to success. There were days when it was tough, when Alex wanted to throw in the towel, to switch off his alarm and go back to sleep, but he didn't. He remembered his commitment to himself, his goal of academic improvement, and he persevered. Over time, his grades improved, his understanding deepened, and his confidence soared. Alex's journey wasn't easy, but it was worth it. He proved that the path to academic success isn't paved with inherent intelligence or luck, but with dedication, effective techniques, and consistency. Closing. And guess what? Alex's story is not a unique one. There are thousands of students out there who have achieved academic success through perseverance. Now you might be wondering, how did Alex do it? What's his secret? Well, let's delve into the strategies that propelled Alex towards his academic success. Firstly, Alex had clear goals in mind. He knew what he wanted to achieve and set a timeline for each goal. Having a clear destination helped him stay focused and motivated. Secondly, he broke down complex tasks into manageable chunks. Instead of being overwhelmed by a mountain of work, he tackled it piece by piece. This approach made even the most daunting tasks seem feasible. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, Alex maintained a positive mindset. He believed in his ability to succeed and didn't let setbacks deter him. He saw challenges as opportunities for growth, not as roadblocks. Remember, academic success is not about being the smartest or the most talented. It's about being persistent and never giving up, no matter how hard things get. So, are you ready to overcome your academic challenges and achieve success just like Alex did? Remember, it's all about taking that first step. It might seem daunting, but once you've started, you're already on your way. The strategies we've discussed in this video, perseverance, discipline, and a hunger for knowledge, these are your tools. Use them. The path to academic success is not easy. It's filled with late nights, complex problems, and sometimes moments of self-doubt. But each step you take is a victory in itself. Each challenge you overcome makes you stronger, smarter, and more resilient. And the reward? The reward is worth every single struggle. It's the knowledge you gain, the skills you develop, and the confidence you build. It's the satisfaction of knowing you've achieved something great. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more motivational and educational content. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Start your journey today.